This video we will learn how to add border in our HTML code using CSS. Suppose we need to add border in the second paragraph. So let's give an ID here. Second para. Just save it. Come over the CSS code. For ID we will use as second para. Second para. This is border. We need to give border style. So give it here border style. Let's say dotted. We border width we need, let's say 2 pixel. Need to give border color. We need to give so border color weaving has say let's say aqua. Save it. Studio we need degrees. Here we can see the dotted border will cross the line. Now we can also give this individual border for the individual sides. So let's just say it we need to give border on top. So border top side we need to give dashed. Now border bottom style we need give is let's say dotted. Border right style just say it dash dotted, just say it solid. Border left style let's say it none. Okay. Now we will see we have individual border for the individual sides. In the top we have the best, in the water we have dotted border, in the right side we have solid, in the left we have none. Now we can also give radius to our border. Let's give border radius, just give it 5 pixels. Save it and see here. Mhm. This we have not seen, so just for the C we need to just save it all to the solid solid. Save it. Now we can see there is border radius. So now we will also give border for the individual just for the different color. So here just come this out. Now see border top, give it 2 pixel solid red. This is the shorthand property. First we give the border width, second we border style, and then border color. So now border bottom say 1 pixel solid and black. Okay. Now give border right side, border right, give it 3 pixel solid go. Now border left side, we should save it 1 pixel. Let's give it a different color. Let's give pixel solid green. Save it. Now we can see here we have different side, different color of bordering and different. So that's all for the videos. Thank you for watching this.